Hey everyone, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel, guys. And if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we're talking cryptocurrency. We're talking about what's happening in the market. We're talking about the blockchain fees between Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're also talking about the energy consumption that is withstanding and holding up the blockchain network. Let's get into it. Alrighty, jumping in, looking at the overall market today, looking like we're having very much a down day. Bitcoin holding at 45,266, Ethereum at the $3,500 mark. We have some of the altcoins in the green today, and we also have some altcoins in the dark green today, with a few altcoins obviously still in the dark red. Obviously, we are still having that cool off. Bitcoin dominance is currently sitting at 40.48%. Let's get into it. Right, Bitcoin and Ethereum usage fees dropped 70 to 80% as market slide continues. Transaction fees are falling rapidly on the Bitcoin and Ethereum network on both coins who have both received from the recent highs. Transaction fees on Bitcoin and Ethereum have fallen by 81% and 71% respectively over the past few weeks on the broader cryptocurrency market, continued to descend from its recent all-time high. The average cost of using Ethereum's blockchain fell from $69.92 per transaction on Wednesday to $20.06 by Sunday. According to recent data, in the same time period, Ethereum's spot price both peaked and crashed, falling from an all-time high of $4,358 on Wednesday to $3,183, just prior to the publication, a 27% decline. Before 2021's market surge, Ethereum's current average fees of $20 would have been an all-time high by some margin. As recently as 2020, average usage costs were lower than 10 cents. The rapid surge in the cost of using Ethereum comes after the emergence of decentralized finance apps, which now make up 4 out of the 5 gas burners on the blockchain, and the increased attention brought to the blockchain amid 2021's market boom. Ethereum's daily user count has quadrupled since the beginning of 2020, climbing from around 400,000 to 1.6 million, according to sources. This number does not account for transactions taking place on Ethereum's Layer 2 protocol. A similar trend was observed on BTC, which saw a transaction fee fell 81% since mid-April, when the BTC price was close to $65,000. Average transaction cost of around $62.77 marked a new time high for BTC, exceeding 2017 highs of $55, which signaled the top of the Bitcoin bull run at the time. Bitcoin was priced at $42,440 earlier Monday morning, making a 34% decline since the April recent peaks. Bitcoin dominance, which measures Bitcoin's share of the overall cryptocurrency capitalization, fell as low as 39.3% on Monday, sinking from a high of 70% in December. While generally indicating a swelling altcoin market, the figure can also be misleading due to the difference in size of the crypto market cap at various times. For example, in 2017, Bitcoin's market dominance was close to 90%, but the global market cap was only $2 billion, or 0.1% of what it is now. At the same time, the global market cap figure can easily be boosted by anyone who can be bothered to launch an arbitrage token with high supply, even just a modest starting price. This is fantastic, guys. You know, the fees are definitely coming down. It also means that we are going into the next wave of the bull run, in my opinion, guys. But hey, if you're using the network at the moment, you will see significantly cheaper prices, which I feel is overall great for the market. On to the next one. Banking system consumes 2 times more energy than Bitcoin. According to Galaxy estimates, the annual energy usage of Bitcoin stands at 114 terawatt, while the banking industry consumes over 260 terawatts each year. Elon, are you watching? Amid the ongoing concerns over BTC energy consumption, a new study states that the traditional banking system consumes more energy than the Bitcoin network. Michael Novograt's cryptocurrency firm Galaxy Digital released a report Friday titling "On Bitcoin's Energy Consumption, a quantitative approach to the subject question, providing open source access to the methodology and calculations." Compiled by Galaxy's mining arm, the study estimates Bitcoin annual electricity consumption to stand at 113.89 terawatts per hour, including energy for mining demand, mining power consumption, pool power consumption, and node power consumption. This amount is at least 2 times lower than the total energy consumed by the banking system as well as the gold industry on an annual basis, according to Galaxy's estimation. While Bitcoin's energy consumption is transparent and easy to track in real time by using tools like Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index, the evaluation of energy use of the grid industry and the traditional phone system is not that straightforward, Galaxy mentioned. There you go, Elon, having a look. Are you going to pull your money out of the banking system? I doubt it. But hey, look, it is a very high consumption, but definitely not as high as some other industries out there. Anything on that, guys? On to the next one. Bitcoin's market dominance falls to a 3-year low of 40%. Altcoins have driven to 3-year dominance higher after tagging a record combined capitalization of nearly 1.5 trillion last week. While Bitcoin tumbled in response to Elon's tweet, dominance has surged to its highest level in roughly 3 years. Altcoin dominance has surged to its highest level in roughly 3 years. As of this writing, BTC represents 40.3% of the combined crypto asset capitalization, the lowest it has been since 2018, according to the research. Bitcoin hit a market dominance low of 33% in January 2018 when it was cooling from its previous peak. While the altcoins were just hitting theirs, it is currently not far off its second lowest level of 36% of 3 years ago in 2018. The combined capitalization of altcoins is currently sitting at 1.25 trillion after establishing all-time highs of almost 1.5 trillion last week. Ether has recently seen its dominant surge, with Ether's capitalization creeping up to roughly half of Bitcoin to represent a crypto market dominance over 19%. Ether also represents 32% of the combined altcoin market capitalization. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Is this a different cycle? Is this the end of the cycle? Is the Bitcoin rally over? Is the bull market over? Are we going into the bear season? Let me know. I don't think we are, guys. I think this is just a different sort of roller coaster ride that we're going to be on. Let's get on to the next one. Bank of America partnership with Paxos will allow same-day trade settlement. I think this is a great partnership, guys, all about adoption. Bank of America, one of the biggest banks in America, guys. This is fantastic. Looking at getting into partnerships with crypto, all about adoption. This is great. On to the next one. Alrighty, Coinbase Wallet adds a Chrome browser extension. Once again, guys, Google, one of the biggest names in the world, is definitely all about adoption, is adding user access with a Chrome browser extension. This is great for the market, the amount of people that are using the Chrome to obviously access their wallets and all sorts. It is absolutely fantastic that Google is getting involved in this. On to the next one. Hi, everyone. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Please don't forget, guys, if you like this content, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is absolutely free, guys. Speaking of free, if you want to get yourself a free stock, check out the pinned comment to stake, to spin the roulette wheel, guys. If you want some free Bitcoin, check out the links to CoinSpot and, of course, Coinbase, guys. See you next time.